Welcome back. In this video, I'll be unboxing. I'm gonna let y'all see what I'm gonna be unboxing. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that like button. Thank y'all for my subscribers. Thank y'all for promoting my videos. And thank y'all mostly for watching my videos. Stay tuned to BOOSIE'S vlogs. So now, let's see what we got here. These my little workers right there.
No, you see like three? Yes, more than 100 left. Good.
Okay, so put this, put that there, this piece right there. It's hard to get everything out the box. Let me put this together first. This is gonna be a quick, easy one. Okay, take this piece like that. Oh, look at the head on this one. How you see the head on there? Man, look at that head. Look how they got that on.
This is the one. This is the one with the slide.
You're gonna take this piece here like so.
Wait, now stop. Wait.
You're gonna take this piece like this right here.
Wait, stop.
And you're gonna slide it in like that. Now you should have something to lock where the screws at for it.
Okay, good. 3 more now.
You see they have some screws for it. Okay. She ain't that long either. The other one longer than that one. Okay, you got your normal stuff that comes with it. Troy built. Okay. Yeah, she's gonna be smack brand new out the box. Alright, so this one right here, you're gonna need Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver.
Grab one of those.
These 2 screws right here. These 2 screws gonna go. These 2 screws gonna go. There you go. Right here.
Look, come out. It's on the top.
Knock it down. Hold this thing, baby.
Yeah.
You want to knock it down some more.
Dad.
She ain't trying to get knocked down.
Dad.
What?
Wait, stop. Wait, stop. That's it.
Well, I got it now.
For sure.
You're gonna take these 2 screws like this. And you're gonna see where I dropped the screw in? You're gonna take these screws and you're gonna screw them in your new unit like this. Okay. And then you're gonna take your other one, you're gonna screw it in there. Now don't worry about the Earl that you see on the back of the mud. That's just because they come new out the box like that. So the manufacturer just Earl them up for you. But it's gonna be your responsibility to Earl them up once you start using them. And then they give you a 2-cycle engine arrow, simply. Well, that's really synthetic anyway. And then you're gonna put your rock guard on there. Now, if you don't put your guard on there, they're gonna void your warranty. Oh, they gave us some. He kind of gave us some good ass string this time with this one, but they cut them up very shortly. So
Yeah, that one too.
stay tuned to Boosie Vlogs. So now screwing her up now. Okay. Okay. Then once you do that, you're gonna put your guard on there like this. So you're gonna use your leg for your guard. And you're gonna take her like this right here. Gonna take her like this right here. No, that's not right. You're gonna take her. She must can't go like that. Oh, let me see. Can she go like that? Can't.
No,
She can't go like that.
backwards.
So we're gonna take her like this. Put on her like that. Then you're gonna put your washer on. And put your washer on. And you're gonna go like this right here. Okay. And the only complaint I got with it, have with it now, seems like they're gonna give you, guess how long you need to cut the string. That's gonna be forever keep on going to cut the string. It may last a little longer, but we'll see. Okay. Well, let me take this head off right quick. Just take the head off. How do I take the head off? How would the head come off? I'll cut y'all back on once I see how to cut the head, take the head off. Okay. So this is how you take it off of there. I use a screwdriver to pop both the sides off it. And then you put them back on there like that. And the only length that you're gonna have to cut it with is gonna be, so you keep some of these that the manufacturer sent you. And when you get your other string, you just cut them out to this length here. Okay, that's how much you're gonna be able to put on there. It's not gonna be to where you have to wind them up or string or wind them up like that. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on once we really get. No, I'm gonna leave y'all on. Get it running right quick. Pop it down. Put some gas in. Now we're gonna put some gas in here. Now we're gonna put some gas in here. then once we got the gas in there, we're gonna give her a first choke and see what she working with. So we're gonna pump her up.
Daddy, stop doing it.
The side say pump her up 10 times. Let's go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 9.
Go to the back door.
That should go. God, it is. I'm gonna be right back in that fucking. I like how she feels though. I'll do it. So that is my review of the Troy built TB2 5S. Stay tuned to Boosie Vlogs.